All right, Panther students, we've got another challenge to overcome here. Let's say we've got an assignment where the teacher has given you a doc or a slide, but you don't have your own copy of it. They need you to make your own copy, complete the assignment, and turn it in. So let's take a look at that and see how that's going to go. All right, so this assignment is my 13 colonies map assignment. So let's take a look at that here. Cut that part out also. This activity is the 13 colonies map. So I'm going to click on that there, and I can see I've got an assignment here. Label each of the 13 colonies on this map and turn it in when complete. If I click here, I can click on that Google slide. It's opening up here. Notice it says view only. View only. So you know what I need to do? I don't want to request edit access. This is the teacher's copy. No, no, no. I want to go to File, and I want to make a copy. I want to make my own copy of this presentation. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my name on the front of it too, so the teacher knows this is mine. So this is going to be called the Brown Copy of 13 Colonies Map. Now I've got my own copy of the map, and I can go up here and I can create text boxes and click and drag them out here. And I can label these colonies as the directions are asking me to do. So I'm going to pause here and go ahead and label my 13 colonies, and then we'll look at how to turn that in. All right, so I've got my brown copy of 13 colonies map all done and labeled, and yeah, I remembered all 13 of them. I know, I'm proud of myself. All right, so I've got it over here. Let's go ahead and add this assignment. So we're going to go ahead and add it from our Google Drive, because remember, we made our own copy in our Google Drive, and there it is right there in my recent files. I've got brown copy of 13 colonies. I click that one time, it highlights it and gives me the option to insert the file. The file is inserted here, and now all I got to do is click turn in. Same thing if it was a Google Doc and I was writing a poem or something. I would make my copy, fill out the Google Doc, and then turn it in the same way from my Google Drive. So it's just confirming it. We're hitting turn in. Boom. There we go. The assignment is turned in. All right, Panthers, remember, you got this. You're getting better at it every day. And be nice to people.